guys. It's a nice day out. I don't know how warm it is, but it's probably about 60. Maybe not quite that warm, maybe 55 or so. But it feels nice in the sun. I'm just out for a little ride, and I'm actually going to try to hit up another spot to fly a little bit. You guys got your bikes put away for the winter. I don't know how many more rides I'll get in before it gets nasty here. It'd be nice if it stayed warm for a while or got warm again after a little cold snap or something, but I guess we'll have to see how the weather goes. Man, it feels good to be back on the bike. It's been pouring down rain yesterday. Pretty cold. But yeah, it feels good. I feel sorry for you guys way up north. You get such a short summer weather. What else is going on? You guys let me know. Let me know what you're up to with your bikes and whether you got your bike put away from the winter or not. I haven't done much off-roading for a little while. It's just been cold, and you know, when you go off-road, you got to wash the bike, and when it's cold out, you don't feel like it. Lazy, huh? But I do ride to work a little bit every now and then. But anyway, I'm still around. I'm still riding and still creating vlogs or whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys stay in touch. Let me know what kind of mods you're doing or upgrades over the winter. I don't have a lot planned really for upgrades and mods. I do want to do like a front fork brace. I think that's about it really for now. Eventually I want to do the lower skid plate. I want to get, you know, a metal one instead of this plastic one. I don't do a lot of rock hopping or anything, but I think it'd be nice to have. I'm going to go down here and check out this park. I've only been down here once or twice, and I don't know how crowded it is on a Sunday. When it closes. Or how many people are here. I don't like to fly when there's a lot of people around. Especially kids. People get worried. interesting to fly around, but there's a lot of kids there. Those fields are even open. If I drop the quad in there, I may not ever get in to get it. Unless I hop a fence. Looks like those gates are all closed. This is not looking too interesting with all the people here. Maybe we'll try someplace else. Someplace I've been before. What else do you guys do in your spare time? I know Ron C does some of the ham radio stuff. Scratch Babel's all tied up with the radio stuff. Radio announcements and advertisements and meeting with the public. What other hobbies do you guys have? Or do you have other channels that I don't know about? Do you guys have any second YouTube channels that you post on when you get the time or the chance to make a video? I do enjoy living in North Carolina. I think the weather here is not that bad. You get a little bit of everything. You get a nice long summer, an average winter, and fall and spring are really good because it's in between the two. Place looks pretty empty. Let's hit this up. Nobody here. So it's not huge in one direction, but it's got 3 ball fields. Well, 2 ball fields and a soccer field. Should be a little bit of fun. Just took a little spill here and hit the concrete with the front nose piece, and as you can see, it took out my zip tie, but it protected the camera, so that actually helps. It's a good thing to note. Got a little carbon damage on the bottom plate in there where the motor is, but so far that's about it. So at least that foam helps. Alright, so that's what happens when you hit a baseball. That's what happens when you hit a baseball fence. Took out the camera protector, but the lens looks fine, just needs to be cleaned off. It shattered the camera protector though. Got a little mud up in the motor. Need to clean that out. Other than that, that's about it. Still looks pretty good. Got some work to do.